Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to create a robot.txt file for our website, and if you don't know what is a robot.txt file, let me show you a robot.txt file demo for Facebook. Okay, so this is the Facebook robot.txt file, and here you can see that the user agent. So user agent is the spider or the web crawler. So for the Baidu spider, the disallowed URLs are these URL. So every URL include Ajax. So after the facebook.com/Ajax, for the Baidu spider, Facebook used this command to disallow to crawl the website after Ajax. For the user agent Googlebot, same thing. And if you don't want to use so many agents or for a particular agent, you can use a star, and the star will denote all the web spiders. Okay, so I have created a, and you can use two commands, like the one is disallow and the second is allow. So if you want to allow and if you want to disallow, you can use the command as per your choice. This is our robots.txt file, and since I don't want any robot to crawl feeds, trackbacks, admin area, content, include, XML RCP, and all the files which contains the WP- prefix. Okay, and the allowed is WP content upload. So all the bots can crawl our uploads like media, images, audios. And I have also put the sitemap of our website. Okay, so we are going to upload this robot.txt file in our root directory. SEO tab and go to edit files. There is no robot.txt file, as this plugin is scanned for a robot.txt file, and it says that if you had a robot.txt file, it was uneditable, you could edit it here. So now to upload a robot.txt file, you need to go to File Manager in the root directory. So this is our root directory, and click Upload. Complete. And yeah, so we have a robot.txt file. Let's go here and refresh. Alright, so now we have our robot.txt file, and the robot.txt file is used to give commands to all the spiders to disallow our website crawling from these URLs. Okay, so by this way we can have a robot.txt file. And this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it. Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to submit our site to Google Webmaster tool, so we can control our website in Google search engine. Okay, so let's go to Google Webmaster tool. Okay, now log into your Google account. Right now there is no site, so we need to add the domain. So I'm going to copy our domain and paste it here, and click this Add a Site. Okay, so the next thing is to verify our website that we own this domain. You can download this HTML file and upload it to your root directory, but I'm going to use the alternative method. And if you remember, we leave the setting for on the dashboard of this plugin to put the meta tags of Google Bing. Yep, so go to alternate methods and click this HTML tag. and copy this tag, copy and paste it here and save changes. Okay, now click verify. Okay, it says congratulations, you have successfully verified your owner of our domain name. Click continue. Now the next thing is to submit a sitemap, and a sitemap is you can access our website sitemap by navigating to our website address, and after that writing sitemap.xml. So this is our sitemap, and we need to just copy the string, the last string, and click the sitemap and add a sitemap. So we have our URL already here. Paste the sitemap.xml and click submit sitemap. Okay, refresh this page. Okay, so web pages and 4 submitted. These are our 4 pages, which is about us, privacy policy, contact us, and the main website. So Google crawled all the web pages. The next thing is to go to site dashboard, and now you can control your website from this Google Webmaster tool. Like you can check what are the crawl errors Googlebot is getting, and you can clear them. Right now there is no data. You can also check the crawl state. Yep, we have some data here, like pages crawled per day is 12, and this is the graph, the sitemap, the URL parameters, the blogged URL. Okay, now if you want to remove some URLs, okay, let me show you something. Okay, we have some pages that are not exist right now, like this page, and some other pages. If you visit to this page, we will get a 404 error. So we can remove these pages from Google Index by going this in Google Index and remove URLs. Click this remove URL and create a new removal request. Now you can paste this page URL and click continue. Submit request, and now Google will de-index this page from Google database. Okay, let's go and check what are the pages that are 404. This one, create a new request, paste, continue, submit. So we have submitted this page. Let's go and check this one. Yep, continue, submit request. Okay, and this one, no, it's not an error, and this, it is an error. So copy the URL, go to Webmaster, click new request, continue, and submit request. Now the things that you can track about your website is you can also search the queries that on what keyword your website is ranking. Like right now there is no data. You can also check what are the other websites that are linking your website, and you can play with this. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it. Hello everyone, and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to use Google Analytics for our website. Google Analytics is a service from Google, and it is used to track our website activity to monitor the activity of our website, like what are the visitors doing on our website and how much time they are spending, and what are the countries that we are getting traffic from, and etc, etc. So let's go to Google Analytics and okay, access to Google Analytics and sign up. So now it is asking for a universal analytics or classic one. Make sure if you are using analytics for a website, you choose this one and name the account like review on deals, website address, okay, industry, computer, time zone, and get tracking ID. Okay, accept. And now we need to copy this code and paste it in our website so we can track our visitors activity. So you can do it manual or by a plugin. Okay, so we are going to use a plugin. Let's go to plugin and click add new. Install now. Okay, activate, and yeah, there is a new option here in the settings, which is Google Analytics. Click on it and paste this ID. This is your tracking ID. Okay, copy this whole ID, paste it here, and save it. Alright, now go to website and click review on deals and all website data. Okay, right now there is no update because there is no visitor, and so we can check that what are the countries we are getting visitor from, as well as the city, the language, browser, operating system, service provider, or the visitor is visiting from a mobile, the screen resolution, and so many other things. So we can track through Google Analytics. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to submit our website to Bing Webmaster tool. Okay, so let's go to Bing Webmaster tool. And you have to, if you already have a Microsoft account, you can sign in, but in my case I don't have a Microsoft account, so I'm going to sign up. Okay, so this is the index page of Webmaster tool, Bing Webmaster tool. Now you need to do the same thing as we did in Google Webmaster tool. You have to put your domain here. So copy your domain name and add. Now it's asking for a sitemap, so we have a sitemap locally to add after the backslash sitemap.xml. Okay, copy this string here and paste it here. About me. Okay, so now we need to verify the ownership of this domain. So just copy this code here, the meta tag, go to your website in the SEO section and go to dashboard. And on the Webmaster tool, paste the code and click Save Changes. Okay, let's go here and click Verify. Okay, so we have added our website on Bing Webmaster tool, and you can look, there is a thumbnail of our website here. So we can do the same thing as we did in the Google. The next thing is to check out the settings, like if you want to configure your site, like sitemap, submit URL. Like if you want to submit a URL manually, you can click this and submit a URL to Bing Webmaster. Like I want to submit the home page and then the About Us page, then the privacy policy, and then the Contact Us. Okay, click Submit. So Bing will automatically crawl and index all these pages in their database. Okay, and you can do other things, like if you want to ignore the URL parameter, or you can play with this Webmaster tool. You can also check the SEO report, like what are the keywords that you are ranking in Bing Webmaster. Right now we have no post on our website, so we will check it later on when we will post content on our website. So for now, this is all for this video, and we have added our website to Bing Webmaster so we can manage our website in Bing search engine. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.